All right, welcome back to the channel. I've been getting, some pretty good views on, my old Saab here. And one of you happened to, say that in one of my thumbnails for one of the videos I done that, this car, looked, a lot cleaner. And, it really did. But, I've gone up and I got um, this high pressure soap applicator, and I plan on doing a better cleaning video, on cleaning up the outside because it is still a little dirty. But yeah, I got that applicator for my pressure washer, and it should help get it a lot cleaner. And I haven't put up a video for a little bit, but that's this right here is kind of the reason. I ended up getting this 18,000 BTU window AC, and I've been working on getting it set up out here in my shop, just to make it a little bit nicer to, be able to work out here. But today, I'm going to be working on, my 5-cylinder turbo diesel out of my brown 300 SD out there, because I really need to, start getting to work on this thing, because I almost hate to say it, but I think I'm going to sell the car. I've owned it now for, a little bit over a year, and, I really do like the car, and I'm sure that I'll regret it once I sell it, but, I'll never regret, getting my Saab here fixed, or, even my old Galaxy. But, probably most of the money, whenever I do decide to sell that SD, it's probably going to go to the Saab, getting, the transmission fixed, for it, and a couple of other things. It does need a boost control valve, and I think, gosh, I can't remember. It's been so long since I've drove it, but I think the shocks uh, on the old Saab are not the greatest. But my old wagon out there, it needs a transmission put in it, and I need to figure out some vacuum issues because that's what ended up burning my transmission up in that car. But yeah, today I'm basically going to get out here and start cleaning up on this motor, just because it's filthy. It's been leaking for who knows how long. And I just I know it's kind of contradictory to say that I hate working on greasy motors, because these old diesels are probably pretty much all greasy. But I want to get it cleaned up, get it sealed up, to where we're not getting this kind of thing going on with it. But yeah, I'm basically going to start off with pulling off the wiring for the glow plugs and stuff like that. So yeah, I'll go ahead and get started. But if you like my videos, please give them a like, and consider subscribing to my channel. All right, I got in here and I've got all of the wiring off of it, except for the basically that crank trigger for the tack. And I'm going to wait to pull it off of there until after I get that vacuum pump off, just because it'll make it a little easier. But the wiring on these 5 cylinders is fairly simple. You got your glow plugs, down in there that, the wiring connects up to. Then you got your, basically your wire for your temp gauge, the wire that comes back down here for your oil pressure, and also over here for, I honestly do not even know what that sensor there is, but yeah, and then you got, a couple of, other ones up here. This is for the block heater, and then basically just your wiring for the starter, which I decided to pull off. I'll clean it up separately, but yeah, there's really not too much wiring going on these old diesels. So now pretty much what I'm going to do is I'm going to start spraying it down with some oh gosh, I can't even remember what I picked up, purple power, and just kind of letting it soak on there for a little bit, and I'll probably start scrubbing it with an old scrub brush that I have. So yeah, I'll get after that. All right. Well, I got the tarp taken down, and I got the engine moved out of here, and it's not nearly as bad as what it could have been if I hadn't to put that tarp up. But it's still a little dirty. I'll need to get in here and get some of that concrete cleaner that I have, and kind of clean that up. But yeah, I vacuumed up all of the water with my shop vac. So yeah, basically, I brought the engine back in here, just for the fact of the matter that I got air conditioning in here now, and it's quite a bit cooler in here than what it is there in the back part of my shop. But yeah, it cleaned up pretty good. It's still, some of this aluminum stuff, is, a little stained, but I'll probably get in here with, some, aluminum cleaner, and try to get it better, make it look, pretty good and all of that. But yeah, it does look quite a bit better, and it'll just make it a little nicer to work on. But yeah, I think I'm probably going to end the video off here. And yeah, basically, I'm probably in my next video going to get in here and start taking it apart, pulling the valve cover lid off, and basically everything else, get the injection pump off, all of that good type of stuff. But yeah, if you've been enjoying the videos that I've been making, consider subscribing to my channel. It would it'd really help me out, to have you subscribe. But yeah, I guess my next video, like I said, is I'm going to start tearing this thing apart. And if you like the content that I've been making, give me a like on my videos, and yeah, consider subscribing. But until then, I'll guess I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.